World Cup in 2002. But these are the guys who won yesterday's question. Probably tell us, if you didn't Google, what was the question and what was the answer?
How many goals Pele scored in 1974 World Cup?
It's not 74.
1970 Mexico.
Yes, exactly. So Google helped you a lot.
A lot. I wasn't there.
It's always accepted. We were all not there, so we read them. Tell me something about this World Cup. Which side are you supporting?
Argentina.
Argentina, and you?
Germany.
Why Germany?
Germany because when you see Germany, they are good in every position of the pitch, and they don't have any star player to depend on. Except that when the other one gets injured, the other one, so they don't have any star player who they can rely on fully. So they are actually complete.
For Germany, it's not a star; it's a team.
Yeah, it's a team.
You maybe for Messi, because you're supporting Argentina, Messi has a lot that is expected for him to offer. Do you think that Messi will be able to deliver? Because arguably, this is the last World Cup he's playing. Yes,
being the last shot, I'm pretty sure he'll perform, and the other teammates will come through too.
Will it be a Messi affair or Argentinian affair? Is it a team effort or a Messi effort?
Messi mostly carries all the teams he plays around, so it's definitely a Messi affair.
Do Argentina have a defense?
Probably they have, because of the attack, they'll have covered the defense.
Sometimes the attack is also...
Yeah.
Yes, let's take a look at the winners of today. Yes, we have people who will be walking away with the GoTV soccer ball together with a cape. The winners of today, we have John Alphonse. John Alphonse is the person who tweeted first. At the same time, we also have Kenny Barlow, the guys who tweeted us today first. The question was, who scored the first goal at the 2002 FIFA World Cup? And the answer is Pape. If you like, you call him Pape Papa Bouba Diop. Very, very much thanks. I know we will be giving you another ball. We'll also be walking with the cape. I know because of time, I'm just doing this in a rush. Your final words. Who's topping this group again?
This group is going with Poland and Colombia, in my view.
Who's topping that group? Colombia.
Colombia.
They're saying Colombia, and yes, it's always about our fans. It's always about what we expect at the same time, which teams we support. We do this again tomorrow because a lot will be expected from the teams that will be going out there just to shape it. But tomorrow, yes, we know it's just almost a kickoff time. We will be telling you what exactly will be happening in Russia and also what exactly will be happening here in the country where fans are saying, let's go Russia, let's do this. And yes, we can continue this conversation at Moses Wahisi is my Twitter handle. At the same time, hashtag Russia KTN 2018. KTN Russia 2018. My name is Moses Wahisi. Always a pleasure to have you on board. We'll do this again tomorrow. Have a lovely afternoon and always keep it KTN News.